doing a test drive to school. Sound pretty good. Ooh, and she shift good. And she's shifting good. Oh yeah. She's shifting real good, y'all. She's shifting good. All I gotta do now is get the suspension right. This back, my back shocks. She right. Woo! Oh yeah. Y'all heard that? That motherfucker shit. I was kind of nervous, man, when I was driving this car. Damn, this is my first test drive. Let me look at the vitals on this thing. Let's see. Learning. Good. I just gotta get that back shock fixed. Put my I got a missing bolt back there. She shift, y'all. Damn, she's to the right. I gotta get them back shots done. I don't like that bumpy shit. I don't like that bumpy shit at all. Hopefully that thing don't come loose. Yeah, we gotta get them shocks fixed, gang. Everybody looking too. Alright, man. I'm gonna focus on this road.
Motion detected in the front yard.
That trans good, man. So all it needed was that fresh rebuild. Shifting, baby. Cut y'all back on, man. Look, check it out.